Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In episode 14 of Introduction to CSS Beginner Series, we'll be taking a look onto different types of links styling in CSS. So let's get started. CSS links can be styled in many different ways, like a button, like a text link, or a button with a different color with an outlined border, or we can have a simply underlined link that we can show on our web pages. Links can be styled with any CSS property. It can be with color, font family, background, and many more. A great example of how we can style a particular link is shown on the right hand side, wherein we can see that we have taken a link which is an anchor tag specified by A and then have given it a color as hot pink. So our link is going to be shown as a hot pink color. Now, in addition, there are different states in which the links can be styled, as we can style a link as a normal or an unvisited link will have a different color when we can specify a:link, or if we need to give a different color to show the user that this is the link that they had visited before, we can just say a:visited and give it a different color. Similarly, if a link, when the user mouse over it, so that's what we call it as a hover event, so we can give a different color at that time as well, a:hover, and then give a different color to it. Also, we can make it a point that if the user has just clicked on that particular link, we can call that as an active link specified by a different color. Let's take a practical example on how we can style different links using our VS Code editor. Alright, so let us first get our blueprint ready in here. So I'm just gonna give the exclamation mark in as a VS Code shortcut, modifying the title here as CSS links. And inside the body tag, let us define a tag, which is gonna be helping us to create a link. So let us give this as a href. And here, instead of index.html, I'm just gonna give it as a blank hash, as it should not go to anywhere else. And here I'll just say test link. Now, inside the target, we can just specify the target as blank, making sure that it does not navigate to anywhere else. So now, since our link is ready, as you can see on the right hand side preview browser that your link is now ready. So now let us define how this should be styled in our CSS document. So since this is an a tag, I'll be specifying it like a:link. Since it is an unvisited link, it should have a different color, as in let's give it as hot pink. Now, once the link is visited, as in a:visited, we can give it a different color as color green. And now, once we hover onto this link, we can just say it as color would be orange. And if the link is an active link, we can give it a blue color. So color:blue. And now, let's check it out how it actually looks like. But first, make sure you add your link to the external CSS file, which is gonna be link, specifying the relation as style sheet, and then giving the actual address of your CSS file. In our case, it has to be css links.css, which is again in the same workspace. That's where, as now you can notice that if the link is not visited as per our CSS file, it should be in the hot pink color. But if I hover over it, which is gonna be an orange color, as you can see, this is the color that we have specified here. But once, if I go visit this link, if I click on this link, it is gonna now change to the green color. And if the link is actually active, it is gonna be showing me the blue color. That's where the CSS links can be styled in different ways. If this video was insightful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as it helps me to create more such insightful videos Until then, happy coding.